John Wimberly, Matt Moore,
Phillip Walker, Corey Wilkinson.
Winter here's a weak one, even it don't like to hang out here too long. Just rolls into town and clocks in and sleeps till all the leaves are gone. And the sunlight strategizing, trying to skimp right over town. The humidity's the only thing to gladly stick around. All the rest of us, we're stuck here for reasons we cannot explain. Everybody here's a stranger, we just know each other's names. And all our sunrise reverends are sunset sinners too. We'll be better by our criminals than we will be by you. So when you're crossing this city, will cross you. Draw a line through your name. I've got a line through mine. Roundabout last call on Dolphin Street, there's a short parade that scatters from the bars. Bunch of pretty girls with blistered feet, they dig for their keys and try to find their cars. In those high heel shoes that they should have known better than to ever wear. They do a compact mirror makeup check and they exercise that stare they're gonna use to turn somebody's head, paint another color on their blues. Me, I'm keeping my eyes peeled for one in sensible shoes. How I hope you find me, I hope you do it soon. It don't feel like you're trying, but darling, if you do, when you're crossing this city will cross you. Draw a line through your name. I've got a line through mine. This place is beautiful, the way it mystifies its bad. Just like if Norman Rockwell painted a methamphetamine lab. And all our consciences are busted, they're off doing their own things. Rather make their living someplace else by any other means. And they say everyone who's climbed on top this city's soapbox has leaped from it to their death, son. This I am sure, I'm no exception. I'm no exception.
be an inlet pipe coming into it right there. And all the water goes into this tank and dissipates.
Wow.
When you're crossing this city will cross you. Draw a line through
tastes like our Grammys,
Yeah.
but a lot sweeter.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Maybe just different greens. Good. All right. Enjoy.